There are many different ways to make a woman become obsessed with you. Some methods are stronger, others are more subtle. But if you truly want to become the kind of man women can't get enough of, you need to apply all of the techniques we're about to discuss. In today's world, people often choose the easy route when it comes to relationships. However, if you want a genuine connection with someone, you must be willing to put in real effort. So if you're ready to make women think about you constantly, here are 9 ways to do it. Number 1, connect with her emotionally. One of the most powerful ways to make a woman obsess over you is by building an emotional connection. Women are emotional by nature, and when you connect with them on that level, a deep bond begins to form. The simplest way to start is by finding something you both share in common. Once you discover that common ground, deeper conversations will naturally follow, and she'll start feeling closer to you. The stronger your emotional intelligence, the easier it becomes to attract her. Focus on developing this skill and learning to see the world through her perspective. When you understand her emotions, attraction grows naturally. Using thoughtful psychological and emotional awareness can make almost any woman become deeply interested in you. Number 2, compliment her in a smart way. Compliments can make a woman feel great about herself, and when done right, they can leave a strong impact. But you need to be careful. If your compliments sound fake or forced, they won't work. A smart approach is to compliment her intelligence or her sense of humor. Many women feel insecure about their intellect. So when you genuinely appreciate her mind, she'll feel valued and respected. This kind of compliment stands out and makes her more likely to feel attracted to you. Number 3, give her space. One thing women dislike the most is a man who is overly clingy. If you constantly call, text, and try to be around her all the time, she'll quickly lose interest. Women need space. When you give her the freedom she needs, she'll actually want to spend more time with you. By not always being available, you become more attractive. This doesn't mean ignoring her completely, but it does mean allowing her time to miss you. Many men struggle with this because they cannot control the urge to always be around the woman they like. That behavior often pushes her away. Women enjoy a bit of mystery and challenge. When you remain slightly mysterious, her curiosity grows. Don't be afraid to play hard to get, but don't overdo it. You don't want to seem cold or uninterested. Just be a little more intriguing than the average guy. Number 4, be interesting and exciting. If you want her to feel attracted to you, you need to be someone she finds exciting to be around. Keep things fresh and new. Avoid talking about the same boring topics all the time. Try new activities and experiences. This will make you more interesting, and she'll start seeing you in a different way. It's also important to have your own hobbies and passions. Women are drawn to men who have full lives outside of a relationship. When you're focused on your own interests and growth, you naturally become more appealing. Number 5, show your intelligent side. Intelligence is attractive, but many men make the mistake of showing it in a way that feels arrogant. It's not about trying to impress her. It's about letting her see that you have depth and substance. Show your intelligence with calm confidence. If you're genuinely smart, it will come through naturally. Avoid acting like a know-it-all, because that quickly turns women off. Instead, stay relaxed and be yourself. Let your intelligence show in a natural way. Also, don't forget to show your playful side. Women love men who can make them laugh. Being playful shows that you're not dull and predictable. Let her see the real you. Number 6, take care of your physical appearance. This may seem obvious, but it's still important. Women are attracted to men who take care of themselves. You don't need to look like a model, but you should make an effort to stay clean and well-groomed. Dress neatly and present yourself properly. If you neglect your appearance, she will notice, and it can be a major turn-off. Put effort into how you look and carry yourself. Do this for your own confidence and standards, not just to impress a woman. When you take pride in yourself, attraction follows naturally. Number 7, touch her in a meaningful way. Physical touch can create a strong sense of connection when done appropriately. Lightly touching her arm or shoulder during conversation can make interactions feel more personal. Pay attention to her body language and non-verbal cues. These signals will tell you whether she feels comfortable or not. There's a fine line between natural touch and making someone uncomfortable, so always be aware of how she responds. When done right, meaningful touch can deepen the bond between you. Number 8, be ambitious. Ambition is highly attractive. Women admire men who are working toward goals, whether personal or professional. When you're driven and focused, it shows determination and purpose. Let her know what you're working toward and share your plans. When you include her in your journey and value her opinion, she'll feel special and appreciated. Ambition shows that you're building a future, and that naturally draws her closer. Number 9, be confident. Confidence is one of the most important qualities you can have. Women are naturally drawn to confident men. When you believe in yourself and carry yourself with assurance, she will notice. Work on building genuine confidence and self-control. However, be careful not to cross into arrogance. There's a big difference between confidence and cockiness. Simply trust yourself and your abilities. Let that confidence show naturally in how you speak and act. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.